In this video, I will be showing you how to create music and songs with Gemini AI. So let's get started. For this, just come into the Gemini homepage, and here we will be having this create music icon. Click that. If you don't have it, you can simply close it and go to tools. We'll be having here create music, and this is available for the free plan also, which is the one I am using now. So I will just click it. Here we will be having pre-existing templates, and if you want to play any of it, you can simply click on play. K-pop. So this not only can generate background music but also full songs with lyrics. So here are some of the preview. So you saw that, right? We are having a mix of music alone and other songs with lyrics. So if you want to use any of these presets and describe it, you can simply click it. And now we can customize this track and ask Gemini to, hey, give me a particular song with lyrics in this theme, or else you can even specify your own lyrics also. That's up to you. In my case, I will just generate a song without any of these. Okay, so I will just go and describe my track. And another important thing is you can even upload files. Let's suppose say you're having an image, a PowerPoint, or anything, a poster. You can simply upload it and ask Gemini to create a song that matches it. So that's also a great feature. Imagine somebody's having their wedding or birthday. You can simply upload the invite of that event and ask Gemini to create a song related to the context of that event. That would be so amazing. In my case, I'm just going with a simple prompt. Give me a epic motivational rock anthem with electric guitar. So it should have powerful motivational lyrics also. I will just click on send. So we have got the output, and it has created this beautiful cover, and this is around 3 minutes. So if you want to specify the duration, you can do that. And here we are having the download track, show subtitles, share the track. Let's hear it now. Okay, I will play it. Okay, the guitar is so good. Whispers on the bone and no familiar language. Most of every failure pass, unbound by of the dust. That sounds really amazing. To be honest, I can't even distinguish between a real song and AI song. It's that accurate, to be honest. And you can simply download it. We are having the download as a video which comes with this cover picture, and if you want to download the MP3 alone, you can do that. Alright, so next let's try a different prompt. Okay, this time I'm going with only the background sound, the music alone without any lyrics. It's a cinematic violin performance. Alright, let's see what Gemini gives for this. And we have got the violin music now. Let me play it. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Literally a band of 5 people can do this, and Gemini is single-handedly done it. That's out of the world. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.